Welcome back to the Content Club podcast, where we dive deep into the world of creating engaging, authentic content that not only reaches but resonates with your audience. I'm your host, Molly Mahoney, and today we've got a super juicy topic that's been on the minds of many of you. Our dear listener, Samantha, asked a question that's like striking gold in the world of content creation. She asked, can AI help me understand my audience better to tailor my content to their preferences? Samantha, my friend, you've opened a treasure chest of possibilities here. Imagine having a backstage crew equipped with the most advanced tech goggles, analyzing the sea of your audience. They're not just looking at the waves, but understanding the current beneath. That's what AI does for us in content creation. And AI sifts through mountains of data, spotting trends and preferences among your audience that might have slipped right past us. It's not just about noting which posts got the most likes or comments. It's about diving deep into the why behind those interactions. With AI, we can analyze engagement patterns, identify topics that truly resonate, and even predict what types of content your audience is likely to crave in the future. And let me tell you, it's not about replacing our creative genius, it's about amplifying it with insights that allow us to craft messages that feel like a warm hug to each member of our audience. And think of AI as your content creation sidekick, working tirelessly to ensure that when you deliver your message, it's not just heard, it's felt. It's about making every piece of content feel as though it was tailor made for each member of your audience, because with AI's insights, in a way, it is. So, Samantha, and to all our listeners tuning in, the answer is a resounding yes. AI can significantly help us understand our audience better, enabling us to tailor our content to their preferences in a way that feels authentic, engaging, and downright magical. Now, for those who are now brimming with ideas and wondering, Molly, how do I start integrating AI into my content strategy? Well, I've got something special for you. Head over to molly.live/tools, where I've curated a list of my favorite AI tools that will get you started on this journey. These are the tools that will give you that superpower to see into the hearts and minds of your audience, ensuring your content always hits home. Remember, in the kingdom of content, authenticity reigns supreme. And with AI, we're not just reaching our audience, we're connecting with them on a whole new level. So let's embrace these tools. Let's dive into the data and let's create content that not only captures attention, but captures hearts. That's a wrap for today's episode of the Content Club podcast. I'm Molly Mahoney, and I can't wait to see how you use AI to deepen your connection with your audience. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and as always, keep spreading joy through your content. Bye for now.
Hey, it's Human Molly. This whole podcast was created with AI. I know you probably can tell at some points, but what's really cool is that we have seasoned our AI assistant with all of our data, all of our knowledge base. So we're bringing you answers that are totally on point. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next episode. If you want to connect as humans, make sure that you hang out with us on social. So go to molly.live and you'll see all of the places that you can hang out with us on your favorite social media platform, or come to my favorite social platform. Find me, Molly Mahoney, on the Book of Faces. That's Facebook. That's right. I'm an old lady who loves Facebook. Bye.